But aside from that, yung pagsabi na baka mademanda ka and you don't do that, what is wrong with that? If you can take the heat, get out of the kitchen. Parang mas gusto to kaysa sa Popeyes.
Miss Chicha is waking up.
ABS-CBN somehow has maintained that stature.
Tinanong ko sa kanya, may multo ba rito?
Oy mga Kuyakoy, this is Kuya Mike, ang kuya nyo sa Amerika, and this is for the Kuyakoy list. Alright, so, yep, again, another Banana Republic shirt here, which I really love, and mukhang matagal ko nang hindi nasusuot. But any case, letting you know, again, this is Kuya Mike, owner of the Kuyakoy Life and the Kinder Life stores. These are my brands, and they are on Shopify and now even on Etsy under the name Kuya Mike Studios. It's a 2-in-1 store on Etsy. It's Kuya Mike Studios, and then the Kuyakoy Life and the Kinder Life on Shopify. So again, I'm gonna put on the QR code there. And just letting you know, because of the celebrations na sandamakmak sa June, no? Maraming shirts akong nilabas. Again, it's Independence Day, so may bago tayong mga designs na pumasok. Ang theme for Independence Day is based on the music ni Angeline Quinto na Piliin Mo ang Pilipinas. In my case, sabi ko, saan man mapadpad, pinipili pa rin ang Pilipinas. So it's a offshoot dun sa theme na yon na binigay ni Angeline Quinto at ginawa ng mga videos kasama doon si Meme Vice. So particularly for those who are outside the Philippines, whether in Europe, Asia, here in the North America, United States, Canada, and even Middle East, yun pa rin ang iniisip, di ba? Ang Pilipinas. So, and at the same time, Father's Day. So, ang dami nating mga shirts tungkol sa mga tatay, no? So, may want to take a look at that. Yung mga mahihilig sa beer, yung mahilig sa magluto, yung mga all-around na mga tatay, and yung mga bagong ama, kasama rin dyan. Tignan nyo po, lalo na sa mga kasama natin, kababayan natin here in the United States, Canada, and in Europe. Of course, from the Kinder Life naman, is yung Pride Month. Happy Pride Month to everyone, LGBTQ community. We have shirts po na celebrating this occasion or this month for the LGBTQ+. And then also commemorating or celebrating in a way yung Juneteenth, which is like June 19th, no? Parang contraction yun ng June 19th. Actually, ngayon ko lang nalaman yan when that was probably 1 or 2 years ago dahil ngayon parang holiday na, official holiday na yata ang Juneteenth dito sa Amerika dahil doon sineselebrate, commemorate yung emancipation ng mga blacks na kasamahan natin na from slavery. So, tignan nyo yun. Talagang naging slave sila. Maraming naging in denial na may slavery. Oh, may gulay. Ano ba yan? In a way, sineselebrate ko rin yung pagkapanalo ni Miss Chelsea Manalo sa Miss Universe Philippines at yung pagiging popular ng mga contestants na Black and Filipino. Gaya ni Alexi Brooks and even sa Miss Quezon City na I think on her own decided not to participate anymore. Or Black Filipinos sila. Alright, so ang pag-usapan naman natin is yung mga pangyayari na parang mga nagsasalita. Parang feeling ko nga kuyog na ito, which is kind of weird to me dahil Vice Ganda meant not to further a possible scandal. Dahil nga kinall out niya itong si Axel na tipong invaded the personal space of Christine dun sa Especially For You, and already talked about that in my previous vlog, pero marami na ang nagsasalita, particularly itong si Mr. Nico Natividad na kasama sa hashtag na grupo ito na Musbong from It's Showtime. Now, Mr. Nico Natividad, Nico, is a funny guy. I mean, that's funny guy na talagang natatawa at natutuwa ako. And in fact, they are he is very close to Meme Vice, no? Parang anak-anakan niya na itong si Nico Natividad. And for some reason, nagsabi siya na parang he felt for Axel. Okay, he felt for Axel. Pero, really, you should also feel for the whole situation as it was shown on TV. Vice Ganda wanted to stop a possible, or nangyari na-invade na nga eh. Diba? Umiwas pa. Itong si Christine na searcher, umiwas. Obvious na obvious. But then, she denies na hindi raw siya umiwas. I don't know. But to me, umiwas. And that's what Vice Ganda saw sa pangyayaring ito. Umiwas si Christine. In other words, she was protecting Christine here. She was protecting Christine. But aside from that, yung pagsabi na baka mademanda ka and you don't do that, what is wrong with that? It was education for everyone, you included, me included, for everyone na nakakapanood nun. And magsabi ng baka mademanda ka, was that wrong? Paano mapapahiya ka dun? Baka mademanda ka. What is wrong with saying that? It was more of a warning na do not do that anymore. Have some, isip. It's a warning for everyone, and in fact, probably in jest na sinabi nga ni Vice, which is true naman. Kasi alam mo ang nangyayari right now? Nangyari na yung deed, pero napapaisip pa rin, let's just say, kung ikaw ay na-invade personally, papaisip ka, tama ba yung ginawa kong pag-iwas? Tama ba na parang mag-call out ako? Or tama ba na tumahimik lang ako? Now, Vice Ganda is giving the victim here that chance to speak up, to say na pwede ka makapagsalita or umiwas ka, not to invade your personal space. At hindi lang umokay. Kumbaga, binibigay tayo ng education on this. So, this is to me inane. After all, number one, pumasok ka sa It's Showtime. You know the kind of humor dyan sa It's Showtime. Whether nandyan si Vice Ganda or wala. Ganun. Kuminsan talaga nagkakapahayaan. And in fact, sila mismo among the hosts ay nagkakapahiyaan sila. And that is the funny thing about this It's Showtime. Kumbaga, brand na ito. So if you do not want na mapahiya ka, huwag ka pumunta doon sa stage. Get out. Diba? It's like, pumasok ka sa comedy bar, sa Philippine setting, tapos pumunta ka sa stage, talagang may okrayan. You can also say you're pang-ookray sa kanila. That's fine. And all comedy bars, even here in the United States, ganyan. Take a look lang sa YouTube. Lahat yan ng comedy bars may ganyan. And even now in It's Showtime. Kaya, very popular itong show na to. If you can take the heat, get out of the kitchen. And more than that, anong nakakahiya or bakit ka mapapaya sa sinabing, uy, baka mademanda ka. And it was actually light at the same time. Nung sinabi na, don't do that. Come on, hindi ka naman pinagalitan, hindi ka naman talagang siniraan. And even Axel said, no problem, wala yun. He explained himself, that's fine. Pero yung mga nakikisawsaw, nakikicomment, lalo from Nico Natividad, who has the same humor, same kind of humor as Vice Ganda. In fact, pareho sila ng wavelength. I don't know if Nico Natividad is genuine here or he has an axe to grind. May ngit-ngit ba? May galit ba? May asar ba siya? Let's just say he is genuine. Mali pa rin yung pag-iisip nyo na maawa kayo kay Axel. He was okay. And he now knows, he is now educated na, ganito pala ang pag-set ng boundaries. Meron pa ito, si Nico Loco. Pumunta siya doon sa show. You went to that show. Come on. You knew what's going on. Ganun talaga. Magkukwento ka na about your life. Now, nalaman na, in a way, may ganun ka palang ginagawa, blinurt out ng ex-girlfriend mo, ngayon para bang you have an axe to grind rin kay Vice, and then nakikisaw-saw No? Parang kuyog style na itong ginagawa eh. Na tipong hindi ko talaga makuha. Ganon talaga ang humor dyan. At times, ookrayin ka. At times, magja-judge mismo ang mga audience. At times naman, papalakpakan ka and will see through sa problema kung actually okay ang nangyari. I don't know. Pero parang paramdam ko, for the sake na lang of kuyog. Well, Nico Natividad has already said his piece. Vice probably would also say something or may not do anything. Pero sayang. Kasi nakakatawa na, nagaan pa nga kayo, nagpa-prank pa nga kayo sa isa't isa. And I thought you were really close with Vice. And even if close kayo, kung magsasalita ka, sana naman yung mukhang maayos, yung mukhang nakatulong sa diskusyon. Pero right now, it's not that. Yung mapahiya, pumunta ka rin dun sa It's Showtime, ganun din eh. Mapapahiya ka rin talaga, ganun ang style. And umu-okay ka rin sa ganun. That's about it. So, I'm sure matutuloy pa itong mga kwento na to. Pero right now, I don't see any problem. Vice was right to make that reaction. Even kung gwapo ka o hindi, you will have to ask permission. Kung maganda ka o hindi, you will have to ask for permission because you're invading personal space. Right now, it's just shake hands muna or fist bump. So, that's it. Again, ito po si Kuya Mike of the Kuya Kuy List. It's a brands, branding, and shopping channel for the global Filipino. Give this vlog or this video a thumbs up. Subscribe po kayo sa ating channel. Check again my website on Shopify, the Kuya Kuy Life, the Kinder Life, and on Etsy. Until next time.